Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a get ready with me. Now, someone did ask if I could do a real-time kind of no edit get ready with me, and I am going to do that, but this was I wasn't planning on doing this video tonight. I'm actually going out with work friends because one of the girls is leaving to go travelling for a few months. So I just thought I would actually show you what I'm going to do. But like I said, someone has asked for me to do a real time kind of get ready with me, which I will do, I think, next week. But what might be quite good in that video is if you ask me some questions at the same time, so there's not too many silences, because sometimes if I'm just blending back and forth I may not be talking. So ask me some fun questions down below so I can answer them in that video. But yeah, like I said, for today's video, it won't be like that. I'm actually just going to do a voice over for this because I'm kind of running out of time and I need to eat as well. I will be doing my hair as well because I do get asked about my hair and how I style it as well a lot. So yeah, this is a very impromptu video. I wasn't planning on doing this, so I do hope you enjoy. And if you want to see the makeup look that I'm going to do for my night out, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I'm taking my primer, moisturiser and masking one from This Works to prep and prime my skin. And then, as always, I'm going to go in with my Hint Beauty concealer. I'm using this as concealer and foundation as well. To set everything in place, I'm going with my Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. As I mentioned in a previous video, this powder over the 100% Pure doesn't give me any flashbacks. That's why I'm purposely using it for tonight's look, as I knew I was going out and obviously having potential pictures taken as well. Then I'm going to go in my Lily Sculpt and Glow Contour Kit. I'm using this to give my skin a nice warmth and bronzeness to it. And as I mentioned as well, I haven't used this illuminator in a while. This is the Lily Lolo Rose Illuminator, so I thought I'd wear it for tonight. And I forgot how really beautiful it is. I've just been gravitating towards the champagne a bit more recently, but this rose one is absolutely beautiful, definitely. And then I'm taking my Nip and Fab blusher palette and going in and giving my cheeks a nice rosy glow. And then going ahead and filling my brows like I usually do with the Lily Lolo eyebrow duo in dark. And then I go ahead and prep and prime my eyes with the eye primer also from Lily Lolo. So like I said, I'll be doing a real-time get ready with me very soon, probably next week. And also, like I said, please do ask me some really fun questions, just so there's less like kind of silences throughout the look. I just think it'd make it more interesting. So please do leave those down below. So for today's video, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm first of all taking the shade Berry Mousse as my transition colour. It doesn't show off particularly well on the skin. It is very much more of like a transition colour type thing. So if you've got a darker complexion, I'm not sure how well this would show up on your skin, if at all. And I'm also taking this along the lower lash line. Then I'm going in with the shade Crepes. And this is also going to be put through the crease just to deepen it, and also along the lower lash line as well. Then going in the shade Chocolate and using this to really deepen up the kind of outer portion of the lid. And I'm going to do a winged out look, as I always do. And then I'm just using a fluffy brush just to kind of blend everything out. I also took that chocolate shade just along the lower lash line as well. Okay, then I went in with the shade Mont Blanc, which is a beautiful kind of grey silver shade. I'm using my finger for this, but I think the shimmers work best in this palette, or metallics, with the finger for sure. It just gives more colour payoff. So I'm popping this onto the lid, mainly the kind of outer 2/3 of the lid. And then for the inner portion, I am taking the shade Puffs. It's a beautiful kind of champagne pink colour, and using that for the inner third and also kind of in my inner corner of the eye as well. And then taking the Lily Lolo Rose Illuminator just to highlight my brow bone. Then going with the Lily Lolo Big Lash Mascara just to give my upper lashes a good couple of coats. And then to finish off his lips, and it's probably no surprise, I'm going with Benacosta Brown Lip Liner to outline and slightly fill in my lips. And then on top I go in with the Lily Lolo Au Natural Vegan Lipstick because it's my favourite combo. And that is the makeup portion done. Now moving on to my hair. So I did get some new straighteners for Christmas, so I will link those down below. But all I'm doing is I'm used to using my straighteners to curl sections of my hair. All curls are going away from my face. I just keep them all in the same direction. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I go ahead and just kind of try and straighten out my fringe and sort that out. It's getting a bit long to be a full fringe, so I'm just using it as more like a side fringe at the moment. And then I'm just using my hands to kind of brush through the curls to kind of loosen them slightly. They will naturally fall out anyway throughout the night, so I don't loosen them too much. But just to kind of add some volume and yeah, just loosen the curls slightly. And then that is this look complete. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments down below and any future video requests. And I'll see you in my next video.